Hey everybody. I am back with another video. In this video we will try to color correct montage in Lightroom app. So without wasting more time, let's go into the video. First go to your browser. Then open this website. I will provide website's link in comments section. Now, click on download PNG. After that, go to your Lightroom app, and add that PNG, and your montage is captured frame. Color correct that captured frame. I am using my preset.
Thank God that the brothers on the rise now. Endless celebrations all in my house. Levitating now, I'm super duper fly now. London boy, but DC where I reside now. Put the time in while you always yelling time out. And for quit it, cause I know I'm coming with it. You were sitting, you were wishing I was handling my business. Now I got the ball like Harry Potter playing Quidditch. And my business so humongous, you would think that happens in there. Damn man, I'm all that, yeah I'm all that. Working for that whip, yeah that what you call that. I'ma blow up in the summer, have him yelling fall back. And I've always been ahead like an effing ball cap. Man, I came in the game like whoa. Got a couple chains on me cause I like gold. They told me I'm the best and I told them I know. Cause when I'm in your town, every ticket I sold. Yeah, they saying I'm the man. Facts bro, facts. Lot of haters, tell me where they at though. I'm the new pop, all I do is rap though. Want me on your song, throw a couple stacks, yo. Woo! Everybody wanna do the same thing. That's why we ain't on the same page. Do my own thing, and I maintain.
After that, click on 3 dots and click on copy settings. Now, go to that PNG and there paste that.
I'm going mainstream. Flow like water, so I'm going mainstream. I'm going mainstream. Mainstream.
Save your PNG for a while.
Flow like water, I'm going mainstream.
Now, you have to rename that PNG in Z Archiver. Rename it JPG to PNG.
I'm going mainstream. Damn. Flow like water.
Again go to that website, and upload that PNG. Now click on generate. It will start downloading a cube file. Don't worry about that file, that is our main thing. Now, open your VN video app, and watch carefully.
Flow like water, so I'm going mainstream. They saying I'm the man. Facts, bro. Lot of haters, tell me where they at, though. I'm the new pop, all I do is rap, though. Want me on your song, throw a couple stats, yo. Everybody wanna do the same thing. That's why we ain't on the same page. Do my own thing, and I maintain. Flow like water, so I'm going mainstream. I'm going mainstream. Flow like water, so I'm going mainstream. Yeah, I'm going mainstream.
congrats. Your color correction is ready now. Now go to a light motion and try to add sky glow. So that's all for today. A new video will come after 3 or 4 months. Because my exams is coming, hope you understanding. Till then enjoy my old videos. Goodbye.